I'm Christi Barnes. I'm the founder and editor of Woven magazine. We started Woven 3 years ago, and it's become an art piece and a journal of sorts for creatives and entrepreneurs and artists. There's so many female photographers that I'm inspired by, namely Nicole Mason. Such an incredible photographer out of Portland, Oregon. Her style is minimal and clean and always put together. She has such a sense of composition, both with the subjects in the photo, the color, the tone, the emotions that are evoked. She has a way of using ordinary objects that create an aspirational sense to every single photograph that she takes.
My name is Nicole Mason and I'm a photographer. Something that I really hope to express with my own work is that there's always a new perspective and there's always a new way of looking at things. And there's this just great, empowering feeling to just following your heart and being able to do what you love for a living. I think as a woman, no one ever told you you could run your own business or be an artist for a living. I was not told that I could be doing anything that I'm doing right now, and it feels incredible to be just paving my own path and seeing a ton of other women doing the same thing. I'm sure that none of them were told they could be doing what they're doing now either.
The way in which I'm inspired by these female photographers, I would hope my work is imbued with those same qualities. I would hope that people are inspired to shoot more in general, that they would be inspired to shoot film if possible, that they would be inspired to capture everyday life in the honesty and the beauty that it holds.